Morning, Unova region travelers. Tonight we're gonna draw excadrill. One of my favorite steel-type Pokemon. Also, one of Iris's Pokemon. One of my favorite Iris's Pokemon. One thing about him, this guy has two different forms. There's his missile form, when he transforms into this missile-shaped drill. Whenever this guy burrows underground. Here's excadrill's feet. One last thing, his extra claw. There. Now draw this mark here. Draw his scissor claws. This is how excadrill digs. And finished. That's how you draw excadrill. Wow, this guy looks awesome. Get ready, everyone. I'm gonna draw the next character. And I hope we get to see excadrill in Pokemon Master Journeys. That'd be something. Anyway, that's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe. Stegosaurus, see you later.